xuống quăng nhiều đầu tao mày. Không mà quay phim chụp hình rồi. Ôi, xỉu ơi.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So the very best Vietnamese coffee you can get is the one you can get it on the streets. They're not in the most hygienic conditions, so if you really care about like hygiene and stuff, then I don't recommend it, but I guarantee the taste. So the reason why there are so many trashes on the street in Vietnam is just because there's no trash bin whatsoever on the street. Like, no. Can I please get iced Americano, tall size please? Thanks a lot. I have to whisper because there are too many people around me. Actually, I'm not really a big fan of Starbucks, but this is like the coolest place that I can find. If you're gonna stay in Starbucks for a long time, then make sure you get Wi-Fi code, extra Wi-Fi code. So embarrassing. Bye.
When I consider the heavens, the works of your fingers, the moon and the stars that you have made, who am I that you are thinking of me?
So last night, I actually watched my old videos. I don't usually do that. It's just so awkward, but I just needed that kind of a time watching my videos back and like kind of get some idea from it. And what I noticed was I'm always just so sweaty in my video, like in pretty much every video. So yeah, I ended up just spending like a couple hours to cool myself down a little bit. Right now, I'm actually heading to, I don't exactly know the name of it. I'm just gonna put it on my screen. It never featured in my video, but today they have like a live performance. So I'm heading to that way. So the inside looks like this. There are a bunch of cool stores. Thank you. That was quick. It's really nice. If I just update my life a little bit, I just applied for Vietnamese language courses. I'm gonna study in local university, so hopefully I can meet some local friends. By the way, did you enjoy your holiday? Please let me know.
Just go your way and laugh and play for the journal in the melody. Solo. She was just didn't be what you can be, but never get you to bye. Just go your way and laugh and play. In the melody.
It's already pretty dark right now, and I think it's about to rain. Oh, such a good lighting. So I'm just gonna hit my favorite Bún Chả restaurant. If you haven't tried Bún Chả yet, what are you doing?
A few moments later.
You guys hear that? Oh my god. And now I'm in like a building which looks like Samjikir in Korea, and even inside, like all the rain comes in. What I'm worrying the most is First, I don't have an umbrella. Second, the sewer system around this area sucks. So I'm start getting a little bit worried. So the whole street starts becoming like a river. Let's just smile. What do I gain? Okay, so this is really happening. This is what is happening. Am I in the ocean? Oh, you know what? Oh shit. Oh crap. Oh crap. I don't even know what's in there, so I'm just gonna put it on. And it starts raining again, so I have to put my camera in my bag. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Guys, I really hate this. Guys, so dim. So for those of you who might wondering why I'm not taking a Grab or taxi, I couldn't get any taxi or Grab. None of them. This is fucking scary. You gotta be kidding me. This is some kinds of a disaster. Holy crap.
Eternity later.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
What's up guys? So on that day, I couldn't really film my outro because I was so exhausted. So here it is. I really hope you guys enjoy watching, and if you guys like my video, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Then I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!
Oh, I just wanna be with you. Oh, I just wanna be with you. Oh, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.